This is something you'll appreciate.
I don't know that it is. I feel a bit awkward already. This is right up TFG's alley.
And I haven't seen any one of these in an RC car yet. These will suit perfectly an RC car.
What are you saying?
They're 12 scale.
I think you're just,
so they'll be a little bit small, but
I think you're just baiting me.
It ends up being petite.
You can't say petite. It's in a safe box.
I didn't see it in the safe box. Can you make a lettering bigger? I can't read it.
Ilshana. Is it Ilshana? Or does she have a name? Am I pronouncing it wrong?
Ilshana, I guess.
SIS-M00. What's SIS-M00? Come on, you are the
no idea.
You are the Gunpla expert. You can't bait me with these.
Gunpla.
So, well,
I can say that. Look, I'm not a Gunpla expert either.
It's from Bandai.
The 60-minute sister.
30-minute.
What did I say?
You said 60. It's not the news.
If you're going slow, it's 60 minutes.
It's a 30-minute sister.
Yes.
And it's Ilshana.
Yes.
And she could be from Maui. Is that? That sounds like
I haven't been to Maui in a long time, but I think you.
I'm sure there's an Ilshana.
One, haven't you?
What have we got? Talk me through it. You are the expert. I'm just.
All right, I'm just focusing.
Oh,
look, this will be perfect.
She looks surprised.
Ah! Oh, she was angry with that one. She didn't like you doing that. All right, so we've got different faceplates. So with these 30-minute sisters, this is very similar to the Kotobukiya frame arm girls. So they're the same sort of 12 scale, and they're quite modular and allows for different poses and
different bolt-ons.
That's right, because
and
when
by
you talk about
bolt-ons,
bolt-on,
I don't just go on. Oh, here you go.
Different bolt-on packages. So option parts. So this is set 9. So
that could be misconstrued. I didn't mean.
What's misconstrued?
Well, like anyway, a slang for something.
We'll come back to that.
But yeah, no, you can get hot up parts for your 30-minute sister.
Absolutely. So if you can see all the different poses that I've shown you here. So this is showing the.
She doesn't have a lot of clothes on.
What do you mean?
I think.
What are you talking about?
Is that her underwear or a swimsuit? What is that?
No, that's got to be an outer. Oh, look. Oh, what's that expression? Oh, no, I'll move on now, right?
I don't even know what to say.
The perfect thing.
I'm just shocked.
Are you?
Hang on, that's HR. Hang on, I got to go.
All right. The great thing about these is they're really easy to get into stop motion animation.
Especially if you've got two of them.
And some option parts. What are you saying? I got no idea. I'm going to keep going, right?
What context would they be in stop motion?
Well, you just make stop motion animation.
You're going to have to provide a video. I've got no context.
I have shared them before. Let me find some more.
Please do.
They're really interesting.
You should.
Yep, we'll do. And then with that, we've got the option parts, right? So the option parts, you can get all these components.
How come she's got a blank expression on her face? Is there stickers in there or something, or do you paint them?
I don't know.
If you want her to remain faceless.
Well, she's got blank faces.
Is there stickers? That's odd.
So there'll be stickers, or you could choose to paint those details. Okay, so there's quite a few brown bits. And other coloured bits. All right, let's move on, eh? So there you go. So there's a brand new. These are brand new.
I'm way too immature to talk about nudie girly models.
They're not nude. They're not nude. If you want nudes, I've got some over there.
They're scantily clad anime girls. And
that's accurate.
That's a little bit. I don't know. I don't know what to make of that.
Look, I'm yet to build.
What do you think of it's out of focus. I would call that scantily clad. Oh, maybe we shouldn't have gone so high def.
What are you looking at? The sea?
Just the pose. I don't know.
I think we're.
I'm out. That's the last time you get to choose anything to bring into the studio. Here I am trying to be serious.
That's brokenness.